Hi, I'm Raleigh McCoy.
And I'm Michael Gurmarad. We're planners with the Metropolitan Transportation Commission and the Association of Bay Area Governments, focused on making the San Francisco Bay Area a more affordable, connected, diverse, healthy, and vibrant place by the year 2050. To do this, we started a long-range planning initiative known as Horizon in early 2018.
Horizon has been focused on exploring how the Bay Area can respond to a future with so much uncertainty, where we've considered the economic, political, technological, and environmental forces that are beyond our control. As a region, we need to prioritize strategies that are nimble and responsive to all of the uncertain forces to ensure that we can improve the Bay Area future no matter what comes our way.
That's why this month we're excited to announce the release of the Horizon Opportunities and Challenges report. This report details 3 widely divergent potential futures for the Bay Area. These are what-if scenarios for the years ahead, which will help us prioritize the best-suited strategies. In a time of uncertainty, we know it's hard to predict the future, but through this process, we're putting our models to the test, imagining different futures and preparing for each of them.
The 3 futures we're exploring through Horizon are rising tides, falling fortunes, a future where the federal government cuts spending and reduces regulations; clean and green, a future where new technologies and a national carbon tax enable greater telecommuting; and back to the future, a future where an economic boom and new transportation options spur a new wave of development. By creating such wide-ranging futures, we can feel more confident when stress testing policy solutions that they will achieve their goals in the years ahead.
Across all 3 futures, we see a suite of major challenges ahead for the Bay Area. Growing traffic congestion and ongoing dependence on the automobile threaten quality of life and environmental goals. Growing housing unaffordability requires considering policies beyond those included in previous long-range plans. The decline of middle-wage jobs and the continued jobs housing imbalance mean the region could see deepened inequality in decades ahead. And the high likelihood of a major earthquake, combined with at least a foot of sea level rise by 2050, puts tens of thousands of homes at severe risk.
But it's not all bad news. The Bay Area is a dynamic and relatively prosperous region, powered by some of the world's most innovative minds and adaptable residents. In the months ahead, the input we get from community members and stakeholders like yourself will help us plan for better outcomes in all 3 futures. We seek your thoughts and input on the right strategies for transportation, land use, economic development, and environmental resilience.
The Horizon Opportunities and Challenges report has much more information with specific opportunities and challenges presented by each of the futures, infographics based on months of analysis and simulation modeling, and lists of potential strategies for your consideration to improve the future. We encourage you to check it out at bayareametro.gov/horizon, and we hope to see you at one of our public engagement events in March.